Well, my little tornado. It's a TV.
Area. This is not looking good at all with this storm that's coming right into town as we speak. And it looks like just in the last couple of seconds. As
What? It's the beast that got you right, Junior? Oh my God!
Another tornado warning, and that is going to be very close to
Uh-oh, is this a tornado? Yes.
Approaching up to
Oh my God!
and now it's spreading to the east here, and so this tornado warning will again go from
Oh my God! Oh my God, it's not a tornado! Oh my God! Hello! What? There is not a tornado! Oh my God, it's not a tornado! Oh no!
from Turner Falls all the way to Ada, Roth, down in the southern parts of Pontotoc County. Definitely looks like, let's see here, there's a couplet. That's going to be northwest of Pontotoc. Look at that area on the radar right there. It's kind of flaring up. And that's moving more so to the east. And then still watching these storms and their rotating segments that we have right now from Sulphur and going towards around Hickory right now. So
Oh no, my God, it's a tornado!